Zakaria.
I started my journey from Moldova.
From Moldova, okay.
Moldova.
Okay, okay. What is the capital of Moldova?
It is the capital of Moldova is Chisinau.
No, wrong pronunciation.
Chisinau.
Okay, I will teach you later. I will teach you later. Okay.
Then I go to Romania.
Romania, okay.
And take.
Do you need any means of transportation?
No, because they are situated.
They are situated.
Situated near each other.
Okay.
Then I go to Turkey by this.
Okay, ferry.
Ferry.
Okay.
From Turkey by boat.
Turkey.
From Turkey by boat through Mediterranean Sea, I go to Albania.
Okay.
From Albania, I take a plane.
Well, by the way, what is the capital of Albania?
Tirana.
Tirana. Okay.
From Albania, I took a plane to Wales.
Wales. Okay. And the capital of Wales is
Cardiff.
Cardiff.
From Wales, I go by Atlantic Ocean. By boat through Atlantic Ocean to Northern Ireland, and from Northern Ireland I wanted to go to Scotland, but you disappointed me.
I disappointed you.
Yes.
Okay, I see. So, but that's why I won.
Yes.
Okay, one more word. If you take a boat or plane, for example, if you take a plane and you cross a country, you can say via.
Via.
Yes. VIA. It means cross some country. Okay. Via Mediterranean Sea, you get where? Tell me once again. Via Mediterranean Sea.
Via Mediterranean Sea from Turkey, I get to
Turkey.
I get to Albania.
Albania. Okay. And by this, you see this green plane.
Yes. Why this green plane?
Okay.
Plane. I got to Wales.
Okay. Yes, but look, where is Albania?
Albania is situated here.
Okay, and Wales?
Here.
And via which countries did you go?
Without any country.
No. The plane crosses.
Plane cross Montenegro.
Montenegro.
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Okay.
Croatia. Slovenia.
Okay.
Austria. Germany. Maybe a little bit France. Luxembourg.
Okay.
Belgium and England.
Okay. That's all. Okay. Zakaria, I wish you best of luck in our next game, okay?
Okay, thank you.